Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video on my channel. So as most of y'all know, I am an aviation painter and I've been having new people to this channel. I just want to say thank y'all for supporting and stay tuned for more videos. But today we do have the TBM, the video we've been having so far. I also have some exclusive footage I'm gonna show y'all on a Commander 1000 that I did not upload, but y'all gonna see a little footage right here. But anyways, let's get back to the TBM. As y'all can see, the winglet, pretty close color to the fuselage. Let me go ahead and show y'all around. It's pretty similar. So today we're basically going to be doing the design on this aircraft. Chiquilin! That was another worker around the airport, but let me go ahead and show y'all this TBM paint job. Turned out pretty nice, as y'all can see. Pretty glossy. And let me go ahead and show y'all. Oh, before we go too far, let me go ahead and show y'all the design. So if y'all don't remember how it came before, I'll probably put a little picture right here on the screen. And this is how they want to change the design to. I really like this aircraft design. It's actually pretty nice. I like those windows right there compared to the Meridians. It's different. Look at that. Okay. So yeah, this honestly looks a little bit lighter. I'm not gonna lie, this looks a little bit lighter. Probably because brand new paint, but yeah. Anyways, let me go ahead and show y'all. On my flash so y'all can see the pearls a little bit better. Look at that, guys. Beautiful paint job. Beautiful, beautiful paint job. So while the other workers are going to be doing the design, because I don't know how to lay it out, to be honest, I'm not going to lie. But I am working on the controls of the Mooney. So that's probably for another video. Alright guys, well that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till next time, peace.